So I have these top secret documents and I need to, well, I should shred them, but I want to try another way of actually getting rid of this information. As you can see, all that top secret information. I ended up picking this up on Amazon. I thought it was an additional thing to have, which is pretty cool. I do have a shredder. I have electric and I have a manual one, and I thought I'd get this. This might make it just easier to get rid of information. It's an ability to actually just scroll through these and just make them unreadable. On the website, on the page, the Amazon page, these look a lot bigger. Now, I guess I didn't look at the size, but these are tiny. I guess you don't need, I mean, I thought it was going to be pretty big that I can do half a page, but I guess not. So I bought the blue and green version. These two here. I'm assuming it's pretty much just, they're about, I think they were $10 for both, so they're about $5 each. Please confirm below. And let me pull this out. And I believe it's pre-inked already. Let me see. Yep. So let me just go on a regular page just to show you on a blank page what it has. And I'm going to test it with my wife. I'm waiting for her to get here. And when I test it with my wife, I'm going to ask her, I'm going to put this, I'm going to run this over this, see if she can read the gibberish. Maybe I'll even run it over the top secret to see if we actually see it anymore. Blue one, I'm assuming it's the same thing, it's just a different color. I mean, if you're really, really worried about confidential information, you'll run this over and shred it. So let's come back when my wife gets home, and I'll have her join me just to ask her own opinion if she's going to be able to read or actually see the letters anymore. So we'll see that they're J. I won't tell her. Rub this over and I'll ask her to read it to see if she can see anything. My wife is finally home, and we're going to see if she'll be able to read these letters here. I haven't shown her the page. We'll just see. We can all see what that letter is and see if she can see them. So, take this one. Okay, that's the blue one. Oh no. Is it? Oh, yeah, quick drawing. Okay. Honey, can you read what those letters are?
I don't understand. You mean underneath the confidential?
Yeah, can you read the bottom? Can you see what's written, what's typed out there?
Underneath?
Yeah, the blacked out area.
No, I can't see anything.
You can't? Okay, that's good. Hold on.
Confidential.
Yeah, it's pretty easy too. So do it this way.
Is this for like private stuff that you don't want to shred?
Yeah, just another layer of privacy. Okay, let's see if... And the ink is quick drying. Doesn't stick on your hand if you see. How about this one?
Oh my goodness. No, I don't see anything.
All right, good.
Not
So,
even on the reverse.
That's great. So it works. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, you know what? I'm going to stop it here. You look closely, right? Okay. So what it is, I think it imprints its own little images and stuff, so you really can't see. Yeah, I think that's, so those are the imprints of the actual device. You can't see them like a U or something. So you can't read the top. My wife was unable to read the top secret documents. Right, honey?
Yeah, was not able to read it.
So yeah, see, it has its own it has confidential. That's what's written on there. So you just keep, yeah, confidential. So it's just spelling out confidential, small letters. You'll never be able. That's pretty cool. So it's a keeper. They were about $5 each, honey, or $4 each. There's 2 of them. And it's just another layer if shredding is still not enough, right? Or maybe you don't want to destroy the whole document.
That's true.
And you just
If
want
you're
to
scanning something, it's
give
okay
it to
scan.
somebody and hide your social security number, date of birth, but you want to give them the rest of the document. So it's a pretty cool thing to have on the side. I like it. All right, did I measure this? I'm not sure, so I can show you how. Let me do it again if. Sorry if I did it already. I don't remember. Let me see. From top to bottom. About 1.5 inches of coverage. Yeah, almost 1.5 inches. Cool. About 1 inch, I'd say. You take. Yeah, it's about 1 inch. A little over. Yeah, about 1 inch. Pretty cool. I like it. I don't know how you refill or ink it up again. Hopefully, it should last for a while. I think it. I don't know how many. It should be several thousand pages that you could do this to. I believe, according to the website. Very light. Has no weight whatsoever. Just in case you want to know the weight. Pretty light. So it's not going to be heavy in your hand. Really nice. Very smooth. When you go over, I mean, it's really smooth. No resistance whatsoever. Pretty cool. All right. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day now. Bye.